Can I have the floor?
Rule does not allow it.
Sir, are you presiding the House or is someone else presiding the
No,
House?
but at the same time,
Sir,
If someone else is presiding the House, then I will act accordingly.
no provision in our rules that can.
There is no provision in the rules for putting cameras at the polling station. There is no provision in the rules. It is against the Constitution. It is against Article 226. It is against the reference that you moved to the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which held that elections to the office of the Chairman Senate are to be held under Article 226. Mr. President.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, Raza Sahab. 1 minute, please resume your seat. Please, I've heard you. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Bete ji, Iqbal Sahab, sir, please sit down 1 minute. Just, dekhe ji, Raza Rabbani Sahab, I've heard you. Dekhe ji, Raza Sahab, I've heard you've had your. Okay, sir. Rabbani Sahab, Raza Sahab, do you want the senators to take oath or no? So then, please kindly resume your order. ये कांगे साहब टांगे साहब टांगे साहब टांगे साहब वो टांगे साहब ये रबानी साहब जरा सा लेटेस्ट यू एक मिनट वसीम साहब 1 मिनट स्वाति रबानी साहब नाउ ठीक है जी अजय रजा साहब प्लीज रिज्यूम योर सीट नाउ ये बैठे तशरीफ रखें प्लीज ये जरा तशरीफ रखें जी बीबी शेरी बीबी तांगी साहब ये सेक्रेटरी साहब you kindly call the names of the members in alphabetical order for signing the roll. Yeah. अच्छा जी सुने 1 मिनट सुने Raza Rabbani Sahab, now you remain the chairman of the Senate. Please show some patience also, some tolerance. I've heard the leader of the House. I've heard Mr. Swati. Now let us at least take the trouble of basically getting on with it. You have pointed out, I am directing that the polling booth should be constructed afresh to your satisfaction and the government satisfaction. Sir, Just listen to me. Just listen to me. You had your say, now let me also speak basically. Kindly take your seat. Please, Mr. Farooq Naik, you also remain the chairman of the Senate. Let me speak also, Naji. Please let me speak. Under Rule 9, the rules basically, we are all custodian of these rules. Rule 9 says that on the day of the special sitting, no other business shall be transacted, all business is excluded excepting for the oath of the members elect and the election for the chairman and the Senate. I've heard you. I am directing that the polling booth be constructed afresh. You can inspect it. I will maintain or direct that basically the secrecy of the vote is maintained thoroughly by all parties. Now, I will call upon the secretary to call the members in. Sir, now I am not going to listen. Sir, please call, sir. Ajay, sune. Call the member, Secretary Sahab, please call the names of the members in alphabetical order for signing the rules. Please sit down, please. Sir, afterward, now we are basically calling the members for signing the rules. The Secretary Sahab, please call the members.
With the permission
call
of
the members.
presiding officer.
Please call the members' names in alphabetical order.
Members of the Senate.
Yeah.
One by one in alphabetical
I'll give you a ruling, but let me complete the process. Dear, 1 minute. Sir, aap baithe na baithe. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. The ruling is, I'll give you the ruling. The ruling is that under Rule 9, no other business can be transacted excepting the oath basically of new elected members, and no other point can be raised. Sorry, sir, I've ruled it out. Ajay ji, Secretary Sahab, why can't you call the members, Naji? Call the members' names.
First of all,
sir, election under Rule 9, no other business shall be transacted excepting for oath and for the purposes of election of the chairman and deputy chairman. Secretary Sahab, zara bulaiye na aap.
sir, may I call upon first Maulana Abdul Ghafoor Haidari Sahab to sign the roll
Maulana
of...
Abdul Ghafoor Sahab, aaye zara roll daskat karen, please. I have given a ruling. I have given my ruling that under Rule 9, no other issue can be raised excepting the oath and the election of the chairman and deputy chairman. Ji, Ghafoor Sahab, aaiye please. सर आपको मुबारक हो.
Mr. Afnanullah Khan.